Go na.
Ikaw content siya. Wait.
Hi!
Diba?
Pakilala ka naman sa
My
viewer.
name is James and I live in Tondo, Manila.
Wow, James, anong social media accounts mo?
You can find me at Facebook, James Lineo, and also my Instagram, xxjai. Ayun po.
So, are you into a pageant?
Kakatapos na po netong year.
Anong pageant sinalihan mo?
Mr. Philippine Youth po.
Ah, okay. Okay. Ayan po guys, follow nyo siya sa kanyang mga social medias.
Do you have plans ba to compete other pageant?
Siguro po next year pa po.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
See you soon and good luck.